Another powerful feature built into the NT5000 Ethernet switch is alarms. And so if we click on the alarm section, we can see, and then click configure, we can see that there are 5 different behavior types or behavior events that the switch itself is able to monitor and alert based on parameters that we set within the switch. And so we can check for the power inputs to make sure that they are connected and providing power. We can also get notification via alerts if a link were to go down. So if your PLC goes down, let somebody know sooner rather than later. We can also set parameters to alert if our usage for a port gets out of a particular band. So maybe we only want to use the first 75, or we only want to use 75% of our bandwidth. If we ever go beyond that, we need to create an alert. This feature would allow you to do that. If the configuration were to change, you can see that we can enable that here. We can get notified that the configuration has been changed too. We can send those alerts out via LED. So there's an LED on the front that we can turn red if these are true. There's also a contact relay that we can decide if it is either open or closed based on the behavior being true. So not only can we alert locally by eliminating the LED and then firing the contact relay, we can also log this information locally within the switch, and we can send it to a remote syslog server that might be somewhere on the network. And so let's dig into the syslog server a little bit. In the syslog section, we can see all of the different events that the switch has logged, and we can sort on severity level. So if we want to see just errors, for example, we would just simply filter on errors. To enable the syslog server, so in order to write the data that's being recorded locally to be recorded to a server, we would enable the syslog status to enable, and then type in the IP address of our syslog server. And then we would set the minimum severity level. So if we don't want to send all of the events to the syslog server, but just warnings and errors, we would select warnings, and then we click save.